Hello everyone. So in this video I will explain merge in SQL Server. So how to use merge and how does it work? So let's start with the merge. So merge has a three points: the source table, target table, and condition. Okay. The source table has some row that do not exist in the target table. In this case, we have to insert the row that are in the source table into target table. First condition, second condition. The target table has some rows that do not exist in the source table. Okay, in this case, we need to delete row from the target table. And the third case is the source table has some row with the same key as the row in the target table. Means in the source and target we have the same key. It means there is some update in source table, so we have to reflect same update in target table. So in that case we will update the data of target table. So let's start with syntax. This is the syntax. So this is the query for merge the table. Let me truncate this. So I don't want any data here. Now let's start. So I am going to merge data into employee new table, and my source is employee table. So source is employee table means any update, anything happen in employee table, that should be reflect into my target table. So this is my goal. So I'm going to do this on some condition like name. If the name will match, so name, mostly name does not use as a primary key or any key, but here I have used. So I have a unique name. Okay, so when the name gets match, means it's match. In a source we have same name, in the target we have same names, means it means just maybe we can have some changes in department of that name, or in the salary value of that name, means employee name in the source. So same changes should reflect into my target table. So this is the syntax. When match, when name match, then update department and salary, and the value is s dot department means source dot department t, and salary s dot salary means source dot salary, that is assigning into t dot salary, and source dot department it is getting assigned into or t dot department. When not matched by target means the value is in the source but the value not in the target. So in that case that value is a new value and it should be inserted into the target. And when not matched by source means in the source that value is not available. Okay, means someone has deleted, or that just example that some employee has left, and so in the source we don't have the data. So we want same thing should be reflect into my target table. So we will delete that value in the target table. So now we don't have any value in the target table, means employee table. Okay, let me show you first, that will be good. Select star from employee new. So we don't have any value. Okay, so it means it is not matching by target, so target has no value. What will happen in that case? Insertion will happen. So from where? Employee. So let me see what are the data we have in employee table. Select star from employee. Okay, so employee have 31 rows, so all 31 row will be inserted into target table. Let's execute this command. See, 31 row affected, and let's see the value of target table. Yeah, 31 row inserted in the target table. Now we have 31 row and all row are same as uh, we have in the source table.